Okay, I'm going to look at 2013 June question 8. And it says find the range of values for k for which this equation has two distinct roots. So that's going to be your discriminant. B squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now just be very careful here. A is in front of the x squared, which is fine. B is in front of the x, and it's actually minus k plus 3. And then you have c is on its own, so it is minus 1. Now, just plugging those numbers into the formula up here for discriminant. So b squared, now squaring a minus gives you a plus. So it's plus k plus 3 squared minus 4 times a times c greater than 0. So squaring out your bracket, square the first, double the product, square the last. Minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4. So 4 times that bracket. So plus 4k. Plus 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 greater than 0. Tidy that up. K squared, add 10k, add 5 is greater than 0. That doesn't factorize, so we're going to have to use the formula. A is 1, B is 10, C is 5. So k equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So k equals minus 10 plus or minus 10 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So k is minus 10 plus or minus 100 take away 20 is 80 over 2. Now, 80 is the same as the square root of 16, square root of 5 all over 2. Minus 10 plus or minus, that becomes 4 root 5 over 2. Now, divide through by the 2. So k equals minus 5 plus or minus ordinary 2 over 5. Now let's look at our graph. Minus 5 minus 2 root 5. Minus 5 plus 2 root 5. Let's go back up to here. And it is a positive graph, and I want above the axis. So doing a positive graph, and I want above the axis. So I want everything to this side, which is k greater than minus 5 and 2 root 5. And I want this side of the axis, so it's everything under k under minus 5 minus 2 root 5.